Hi, this is Pachi, and today I'm going to teach you about Lulo. It is an amazing tart fruit that's orange outside and beautifully green on the inside. The outside is a little hard. Once you cut into it, check out the beautiful fruit inside that is tart and can give some ceviches a delicious flavor. We can also add it to drinks, non-alcoholic and alcoholic drinks, and use it every day as a regular tart fruit. You buy lulos the way you buy avocados, firm on the outside, but that they go a little bit to the touch. That way the inside is perfect to eat. That means it's a little bit soft, but not mushy. It's not overripened yet. It is perfect this way, just like an avocado. Hard skin on the outside and a soft and delicious fruit on the inside. Subscribe and come and see amazing videos so you can learn how to cook, eat, and lose weight at the same time.